Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave-forecast.com YouTube channel. Today is December 27 and we are going to look at the chart of the SPY. Here is a 30 minutes time frame. Now we can see right now that we are within the wave 5 here in the intermediate degree. And now we have enough number of swing, by the way. It is already breaking above wave 3 right now, meaning that if it wants to, we could have ended with 5 already here. Instead of ending 1 of 5, we could be ending the entire with 5. But for now, with last week of the year, now generally speaking, it's going to be low liquidity week and will not have a lot of big movement most of the time in the last week of the year, and it's window dressing period, and everybody already is leaving for vacation, all the big funds. So yeah, so we don't generally, there won't be a big sell-off, and most likely we might still drift on the upside and pull back, therefore continue to find support in 3711 swing. And most likely we're gonna continue to drift on the upside. Here we are still calling for extension higher within the wave 5 as long as we stay above this 467.3 here. Okay, now if we zoom out, we can get some more ideas. Now I'm gonna focus on the intermediate 3 and 4 here. Looking at the 4 hour, this is the 3 and 4 and this is the 1 and 2. So we're talking about the rally that started from October 28. So the cycle is mature, and technically it could have ended if it wants, but again, no sign it is ending, and it's at the end of the year. So probably it's not gonna do a correction until next year. And now if we take a look here at the RSI, now you can start seeing divergence at the peak, which is again is kind of like giving a warning sign. We could be ending anytime the wave 5, but that doesn't mean we have to end just because there is a divergence. It can continue to drift on the upside, right? The 1 hour is also showing a divergence. You can see on the RSI as well. Over here we start seeing a divergence all the way back from here. Got another one here. So again, I think the cycle is kind of mature in a way, but we might still see extension higher before we finish this entire cycle, and then we can see at least a 3 pullback to correct this cycle, right? Now that doesn't mean it is a sell. This is as bullish as it gets. It makes new all-time high. So if there is any pullback, it will give you another chance to buy again in the dips in 3711 swing. In fact, if you look at the daily time frame here, let me zoom out. Now you can see right here that you got this sequence of what we call a high sequence here on the daily time frame, right? Now I think the shorter cycle is the one that this cycle could be ending, right? This cycle could be ending and starts to see pullback, but you can see the cycle that started from October 2022 is bullish. If you do a projection here, the Fibonacci extension, you can clearly see it has not reached 100%, right? And therefore it can continue to go higher. Now it doesn't mean it's straight up going higher, but the right side or the trend is on the upside. 520 is the 100%. Any pullback, let's say if the cycle ended, right, and then you got a pullback like this, this is not bearish by any stretch of imagination, even if it does something like this, and then that will give you another option, opportunity to buy in the dips again for the next leg higher, because we do have a bullish sequence overall here. Okay, so that's the update today, guys. Again, we might still see extension higher, but the cycle is mature, and at some point the cycle is going to end and then see a 3 pullback before it continues higher again. So as always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link can be found in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day. everyone.